Hi guys. So we are going to answer the activity that we have last time. Okay, balance the following interior angles to the right of a five-sided closed polygon traversed using the method 1 of the section 10.2 that we have discussed. If the azimuth of the side AB is fixed at 122 degrees, 32 minutes, 16 seconds, calculate the azimuths of the remaining sides, where A is equals to 105 degrees, 13 minutes, 14 seconds, and B is equals to 92 degrees 36 minutes 06 seconds, and C is 67 degrees 15 minutes 22 seconds, and D is 217 degrees 24 minutes 30 seconds east, and of course E is equals to 57 degrees 30 minutes and right 57 degrees 30 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, so we are going to sketch the traverse given this interior angle and the fixed line of AB, which is 122 degrees 32 minutes and 16 seconds. Okay, all right, so first we are going to draw our magnetic our reference meridian, and we can duplicate this because we're going to use that several times. Okay, so let's plot the AB. Okay, so AB is 122 degrees, so somewhere from the north you have to draw 122 degrees because that is your azimuth. Okay, so 122 degrees, 32 minutes, 16 seconds. So that is somewhere here. Okay, then that's letter A or point A. This is point B. And then we duplicate our reference meridian. Then we plot the point B. Now, this is B. Okay, so we are going to plot. So if this is okay, 35 degrees 30 minutes, okay, I think this is 32 degrees 32 minutes 16 seconds. Okay, okay, so that will be 92 degrees 36 minutes 06 seconds. And then we can plot the B now, or I mean the C. Okay, we are going to get the forward bearing of, yes, that is 67 degrees, and that's point C. Okay, all right, so now we get the CD. Okay, what is the line CD? Okay, before that we are going to take the angle BC. No, we need the BC because we need that angle, so get the angle BC first. Okay, we simply have to how many more angles we need to be able to get the 90 degrees. So that's 57 degrees 27 minutes and 44 seconds. So kung 57 yan, therefore yung BC natin is equals to 35 degrees 08 minutes and 22 seconds. It's not 38, it should be 35. Okay, so i-add natin yan sa 67 degrees 18 minutes 22 seconds, and then subtract 280 degrees. That will be your bearing line for the CD. So that's equal to 77 degrees. So 77 din yung E, no? E to D. Okay, so next we plot the E, which is no, that's D actually. It's 217 degrees. So we have to get, that's 90 degrees. So we need like 135. So somewhere there, yung ating line. Yeah, that is going to point E. That is 217 degrees, 14 minutes. Okay, 24 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so that's point D, that's point E. Okay, and then we get the bearing line of DE, I mean the angular distance of DE. Okay, so that is equal to 40 degrees. So, ang ginawa ko dyan is minus ko lang yung 135 sa 180. That gives you 40 degrees, 11 minutes. Okay, and then, alright, so 57 lang ang ating EA. So, that's correct. So, ito yung ating 57 degrees. Okay, 35 minutes. 30 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, and that is 105 degrees, 13 minutes, 14 seconds. Okay, so ito na yung ating traverse line. Okay, so next, we're going to trace, no? Ita-trace na lang natin para ma-arrange natin yung ating data. Kasi kalat yan eh. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so there you go. This is our traverse, no? So, group lang natin yan. So, then we label this. Okay, label as A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. Alright, so group it. We can group that. And then we are going to solve for the interior angle, sum of interior angles now. So, angle A, okay, is equal to 105 degrees, 13 minutes, 14 seconds. Angle B is 92 degrees, 36.06. Then 67, 15, 22. Then 217, 24, 30. 217, 24, 30. And then we get 57, 30, and 38. Alright, so now we are going to add the interior angles. So because we wanted to know how much is the sum of the interior angles of this polygon, and then we counter check it with the geometric condition, no? So that is 500. Okay, let me see. We add all the angles class, no? So 539 degrees, 59 minutes, and 50 seconds. Okay. Alright, so what is the geometric condition? We have n minus 2 times 180. That is equals to 540 degrees. Okay. Alright, so the difference is actually 0 degrees, 0 minutes, and then 10 seconds. Okay, so we're going to balance the survey. It means we are short by 10 seconds. So we are going to draw our table now. First table is the line, or we say that it's the point. Okay, azimuth, multiple average of corrections, and then we have the round off, right? So let's see, ano yun? So corrections rounded to nearest or to 1 second, and then you have successive differences. Okay, and then finally you have the adjusted angles. Alright, so by the way, this is interior angle, so therefore we will change the first column into, okay, that is interior angle, and this is point. Okay, right, so let's try to label or to fill up the table. Interior angles. Okay, so let's fill that up first, no? So fill up natin lahat yung interior angles natin. Okay, and then we will solve for the multiple corrections, which is 10 seconds. So ang gagawin natin dyan is i-divide natin ang 10 seconds into 5. Okay, that will be 2 seconds, and then we will do the multiple correction, that is 4, 6, 8, and then finally 10. And then we have correction rounded to. There's no need to round up, so naka-round up na siya, just copy. And then the differences, of course, 2 minus 0, 2, 2, 2 should be 10 seconds. So since our angle is too short, so we have to add the differences. Okay, so that will be our adjusted interior angles. And then you have to add all these angles and check if it's 540 degrees. No? Check natin kung 540 degrees yung ating interior angle. Okay, yes, so it's 540 degrees, and so we have already balanced our traverse in terms of interior angles. Okay, see you in my next video.